In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook business page. First, you need to actually sign into your personal Facebook account, as Facebook requires you to log into your Facebook personal account. Yeah. If not, you are not able to create your own Facebook business page. So you need to log into your Facebook business page, and then you come into here, Facebook menu. Okay, this site here, which I'm not in here. Click here, and then you come into this create page. So create page over here, you can put your page name. For example, example, a spectacle shop, ABC spectacle shop. Okay, ABC spectacle shop. Category, yeah, category is spectacle. Okay, sunglasses eyewear shop. Okay, sunglasses eyewear store. Okay, so you can write your own bio. If you don't know how to write your own bio, you can uh Google how to write, so using Gemini AI or ChatGPT. So maybe I'll do a ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT. Right. Facebook bio or ABC spectacle shop. Okay, so I'm going to put this in. Clear vision, stylish frame, and trusted care. ABC Spectacle Shop is your go-to destination for quality eyewear and professional eye care. From trendy frames to precise lenses will help you see better and look your best every day. Yeah, quite nice. ABC Spectacle Shop. Okay. And then yeah, you can just click on create page now. Okay, and then you can put your own website if you have your own website. Okay, and your business phone number, your email address, your location, which location are you from, and then your operating hours, is it always open? If it's an online store, it's always open. Okay, and then I think the address, I'll just leave it and click on next. You can put your profile photo and your cover photo. So maybe I'll just go and look for, okay, go like here, spectacle shop, or you can use AI to create your own banner cover photo. Okay, just example, spectacle shop, let's say icon. Okay, which one you do guys like? Mm, maybe I'll just use this. Yeah, and then I'm going to upload this. Okay, upload this, and I'm going to add my cover photo. Okay, cover photo, spectacle shop banner maybe. Just example. Spectacle shop or eyewear. Okay, which one should I use? Maybe I'll just take this first temporarily. But wait, this size is not really suitable. The banner size, if not, I'll try this. Oh, the banner size is not really that suitable. Okay, let's look at this. Yeah, maybe I'll just put any one of them. Okay, this one action button, you can put your WhatsApp number or things like that, or email. You can try to put that action button, what you want to do, or the action button can direct people to your page as well. So now I'm going to put, okay, let's see, this picture. If you don't like this, I'm going to put another one. This is the ABC logo. Actually, you can do that also if you want. And another one, something like this. Okay. So next, you can connect your WhatsApp number. People can contact you through WhatsApp. Okay, you can invite your friends to like your page and all that. Okay, next. Whether you're going to receive notification. Right now, no, I don't want. Okay, right. Profile photo. Let me just upload again the photo. Need to be JPG and all those things. I think the file is not suitable. Earlier one, I'm going to use. Maybe I'll just use this temporarily. Okay. Okay. So there you go. You can your Facebook page is actually up there. I've actually created a Facebook business page. Bio, category is done. Sunglasses eyewear. You can put your town address and everything. Details. Okay, your address, your price range, your operating hours. Okay, your founding date, your link, your website, your blog, your portfolios. Up to 10 links over here. Okay. So all these things you can do. And then I'm going to leave here. Then you can start posting. Yeah, put whatever post you want, your website post and your latest new store launch, new spectacle shop launch, ABC spectacle shop. I know. So that, and then you can actually put a link. For example, I'm going to go to eBay, look for spectacle shop. Okay, let's look for spectacles or sunglasses. Maybe men's sunglasses. Okay, so you can choose all this. Example, this. Okay, example this. So I can put this link. I can put no promotion. This one, example, square. Now selling for 29.90 example. And then you can just put a link or whatever. Okay. Or 18.90. Like that. Or you can use a tiny URL to shorten it, but this one at eBay is a bit longer. So you have to, okay, your own website is a shorter link. Okay. And then it will have a preview. This one is not so good. Oh, maybe let me go to another website. Okay, go to shopee.sg. Okay, let's say sunglasses. Sunglasses. Okay, let's say Ray-Ban. For example, this I'll just copy. And then I'm going to copy this link. Okay. Let's just post and see how it looks like. I'm going to, right now it's public. Okay, let's do public. You can share to work groups and all those things. Later I'm going to delete away. Post. There you go. Okay. Yeah. So example, just showing you a link and then people can just go to your link there and shop like this. You go to your link. Okay. So there you go. And let me just delete this. Okay. So that's how to actually create your Facebook business website. Facebook business page completely for free. We move to trash. Okay, I'm going to move to trash. So that's how to create your Facebook business page, and you can link your web page link. Okay, maybe I'll just put example. This is the link, or shopee.sg as the link example. Shopee.sg website. Save. Okay, so that's how to add link. Okay, let me just remove this. I don't want that. Okay, and then you can do reels. You can create your own reels of videos. You can create your own reel, upload your video, add video. You can upload photos. You can create your own album. Okay, albums, different albums. So, and then these are all mentions, reviews, and all those things. Okay, so that's it. This is how to create a Facebook business page easily, quickly, and yeah. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.